Beneath the drama, FireMoss orchestrates rebirth. Its spores encased in Sporopollenin, a polymer resistant to 600 degrees Fahrenheit heat, germinate within 72 hours of a fire. This moss is a nitrogen-fixing pioneer, deploying nostoc cyanobacteria in its leaves to convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, enriching barren soil. Its rhizoids secrete glomalin, a glycoprotein that binds soil particles, reducing erosion by 90%. Within weeks, FireMoss creates a microbial nursery hosting Pseudomonas bacteria that detoxify soil and penicillium fungi that suppress pathogens. By 3 months, it yields to grasses and shrubs a selfless conductor, stepping back as the symphony swells.